Ayubowan. Welcome to Sri Lanka. Small wonder. In Sri Lanka, playful elephant calves at Minneria National Park are a common sight. But things were different for the two baby elephants noticed when the country's national parks reopened in mid-June 2020 after the COVID-19 lockdown. These two elephant calves found in Sri Lanka's Minneria National Park in June are the island's first recorded live twins. It is observed that the twin cubs are one male and a female. There could be less than 1% chance that an elephant will give birth to twins, as for the wildlife specialist. The calves were the same size, always together and suckling milk from the same mother elephant at the same time. Their birth coincided with the world's largest Asian elephant gathering, which takes place in Minneria, Sri Lanka. More than 300 elephants gather from July to October during the dry season to feed on grass shoots emerging from the drying lake beds. The gathering has been recognized as one of the greatest wild spectacles in the world, and it is a huge tourist attraction in Sri Lanka. Come to an emotionally charged lounge to experience. We are Sri Lanka, wondrous tourist paradise in Asia. If you like to know more about Sri Lanka, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.